The next method is restrict all uploads, where all your uploads in your WordPress media library will be restricted to the selected users or roles. For that, you need to come to File Access Manager and then restrict all uploads. Here you can see the require login. If you check this field, then only the logged in users can see the files, and those people who are not logged in can't see the files in your WordPress. And then in the restrict by field, you can choose the same as I have mentioned earlier in these videos: users, user roles, WooCommerce, and paid membership. If you select users and allow, or user roles and allow, then all the uploads will be seen by the selected user roles. Let's say if I select users and put a user here, then all the files will be visible to this user, or this user will be allowed. And if I disallow it, then this user will be restricted from all uploads. Same for the user roles. If I put customer here, then this all the file uploads will be disallowed from customers. And same for WooCommerce and paid membership pro. If you see WooCommerce and put any product here, you can put multiple products here, and those who haven't purchased yet will not see any uploads. And if you select paid membership pro, then it will work with the levels. So the monthly is a paid membership pro level. So this level will be disallowed from all the uploads. That means they will be restricted, or they can't see the files. So this is how you can put restriction on all the uploads at once. Thank you.